Hey guys, how's it going? Just want to do a video on these false leather strips. If you guys have leather in your car, leather seats or whatever, and they rip and tear, um, I looked into it and I was weighing between getting a seat cover or this, and I got this about a week ago. I used it, and if you guys can see, these strips are really not made for, you know, if you guys are constantly sitting in your car, getting out, constantly sitting in your car, getting out, these strips are really not made for, uh, they're not very strong, they don't stick, and they're really not made for that purpose. At least these ones anyway, they don't stick too well, unfortunately. So I'm gonna I mean, if you guys use it for in spots in your seats where there's not a lot of friction, or it doesn't, nothing rubs against it or whatever, it'll work. It'll work pretty good. Like, but if you're using it on the seat, which is where most of the time these kind of rips occur, let's be honest, the rips on the seats actually occur, because of the amount of wear and tear that's on the seat. And the purpose of these, as far as I can tell, the purpose of these is to patch those areas up. And unfortunately, at least these strips, and I'm pretty sure these strips or any other strips that you could get on eBay or Amazon, they probably have, unless you want to use crazy glue on it, but I'm almost positive that's probably going to ruin the leather a lot more. But it is what it is. I'm going to probably get some seat covers or a seat cushion to cover it up. Probably a seat cushion to cover it up. But my take on this is I'm gonna give it a thumbs down. At this point, a week of usage, and it's already, the stickiness of it is actually just not, it's not working. So it is what it is, guys.